MCSE certification. How much does MCSE certification cost? The MCSE certification is never simple, yet it's not hard if you apply yourself. Hands-on is a must. Doing self-research study programs will not provide you accessibility to points you require to exercise with, like SQL and also IIS. The examinations are a pain but quite straightforward. If it's likely to provide you a guaranteed task, go for it. MCSE, which represents Microsoft Certified Solutions Specialist, is two of the most well-known and trusted Microsoft certifications in the field of IT. The MCSE certification costs $150. MCSE is expert level and also confirms your capability to collaborate with Microsoft innovations. In order to become licensed, a licensed MCSE needs to pass a recertification test as soon as 3 years. The ideas of these tests resemble that of the original accreditation examination, yet they concentrate specifically on the current adjustments in products and also practices in the field. MCSE is a certificate-level information technology program. During the program, prospects have introduced the complying with locations relating to Microsoft Windows NT operating system, associated desktop systems, networking, as well as Microsoft's back-office web server items. Getting an MCSE certification helps you to find a job and additionally ahead in your job in various locations that include computer system, customer or network assistance. About MCSE certification. The MCSE certification is accreditation to become a system engineer. They are a series of examinations that examine an individual's expertise with different Microsoft innovations like Windows Web Server, SQL Server, Exchange Server, SharePoint, System Facility, SCCM, as well as Workplace 365. Having an MCSE accreditation will make you one of a few that really have actually taken the time to take classes as well as pass several examinations. Microsoft has actually overhauled their certification, requiring you to reveal competence, as well as several, which will call for numerous efforts to pass. Candidates having MCSE certification can likewise collaborate with various other Microsoft experts and also potential services via listing in the MCP Engagement Catalog. A possession that can be made use of to connect with potential customers is an MCSE. You'll likewise receive invitations to training sessions, conferences as well as unique occasions that help further establish your skills. Significance of MCSE certification in 2021. MCSE certification training course is primarily targeted at people desiring to be server administrators and also who desire to manage network setup and Active Directory site things. To earn an MCSE accreditation, the prospect needs to initially clear the matching MCSA examination and after that pass an extra MCSE elective test. Prospects that wish to be a Microsoft Licensed Solutions Specialist should opt for an identified training as well as a certification program in order to comprehend the abilities better. As more and even more individuals go into the IT market, employers have a growing number of prospects from which to select, as well as numerous, who have experience, skills, and a record of success. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for an MCSE certification in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best MCSE training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for tutorial MCSE certification courses every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/